Hailey Bieber who? Well, fake sunglasses, jackets, jewelry, scrunchies, those are all super trendy things right now. And when you combine them all together, I feel like if you have the right amount of stuff, it makes a look. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be talking about accessorizing, and I want to get into more of like styling videos and stuff like that because I'm super into fashion and I want to put more fashion-y content out there for you guys. I just wanted to mention that this video is in collaboration with Analuisa, which is a jewelry company. They sell super affordable jewelry that is going to be good quality and last a very long time. So all the stuff I have is gold plated. I love them. I wear them all the time, and you guys have probably heard of them before because I've worked with them in the past. But I just want to mention them because we're going to be using some of their stuff to style my outfit. So I'm just going to start out with a basic outfit here. So it's just a black tank top and some denim shorts. Honestly, nothing crazy. We're not going to get into shoes today because I could honestly spend an entire video on shoes alone. These are just some small accessories that you can use to kind of spice up your outfits. Let's start out with the jewelry because I used to never wear jewelry, and I feel like now if I don't have it, I feel like my outfit's not whole. So I just got these new earrings that I'm obsessed with. I actually have these little ones here that I've had for a while now. I wear them every single day. My 2 cartilage piercings, I think they're perfect for that. And I just got these little baby ones. Kind of like how dainty these ones are on the lobe as a second hole piercing. So I got these ones recently here down below. And then I also got these ones, which I think are so cool. And I usually wear like a hoop or something like that. But I saw these ones and I'm like, okay, I need those. So they look like this. Let me just put them in real quick. So this one's kind of like a chain look and it dangles down like that. And I still feel like it gives a cool vibe, but like you could also glam it up. I feel like it's very cool and I really like it. I think it's fun. So right then and there, I already feel like I look more put together with these earrings. I would probably wear my hair pulled back or something so that I can show off the earrings, and it's kind of a look already. But I do feel like with this scoop neck, I'm missing something here, and I definitely want to jewelry it up. So I love wearing layered necklaces, don't we all? They have a bunch of different necklaces that you can buy, and they're actually a lot of different lengths, which is perfect because when you're layering necklaces, you want them all to obviously be different lengths, and I don't like having like a big long adjustable thing dangling in the back. I feel like that doesn't look nice. So these ones are actually all different lengths, and I just kind of ordered them all separately on a whim, hoping that they would layer nicely, and they really do. So this is the first one. I think it is really pretty. Like this alone, I think is very pretty, simple, and elegant, and this with this is already better than when we started with nothing. And you can just see how the style is slowly developing. I would also wear hoops and put my hair back, and I think that would look super cool. They have some really nice hoops on their website that I'm a fan of. I actually don't have any big hoops from them, so I think I might need to order some so that I have some quality hoops, because I do have some other ones, but they're just like, they're tarnishing and they're not as nice, obviously, because they're not gold plated. I didn't get them off of Analuisa. There's my first problem. Okay, so boom, there's 2 pendant necklaces right there. See how they layer so nicely? And then I could add one more, so for the sake of the video, why not just add another one? These are the pieces that I honestly wear all the time. So there's the 3 necklaces layered, and they lay very nicely, I think. And there's step number 1 is to accessorize with jewelry, and I feel like this is just overall so much more of a look and all that, so I'm a fan. I usually wear bracelets, but honestly I'm not going to be able to get these on by myself, so unfortunately you're going to just have to imagine me with bracelets on because I can't get them on by myself. But I do love the look of bracelets. I don't wear bracelets as much as necklaces and earrings because I feel like those are easy and I keep them on and I just have them on. Bracelets, sometimes they get in my way and I take them off and then I have to put them back on. Before we move on from jewelry, I just wanted to mention that I do have a coupon code for Analuisa, and it will be here and linked down below as well. I will put the jewelry pieces that I've mentioned today that I have, and if you're interested in any of the other pieces I plan on getting or that I already own and I haven't mentioned in this video, check out my Instagram. I always post pictures of my jewelry and all that on there, so you can check them out, check out my highlights, and of course give me a follow. And while you're at it, you might as well subscribe to my channel so you can see future videos that I do with them and more styling videos that we're going to start filming. So moving on from that, I want to talk about hair. If you couldn't tell, my hair is just in my way right now. I feel like it's not showing off my earrings and I just want to pull it back. Something you probably already own are scrunchies. So I have these beautifully colored scrunchies and I feel like they go with so much stuff. So with this outfit, I think I'm just gonna do, maybe I'll do the pink one for now. So I'm gonna take my scrunchie, and I always like to do a low bun. I just feel like scrunchies give your hair a different look than just doing a typical ponytail. Like, I'm not sleeking my hair back or trying to like go somewhere or anything like that. I feel like a scrunchie really gives a pop of color and is also super cute and like a chill look to have with your bun. This one is like my go-to. I feel like it goes with everything. I love the pink one, and the pop of blue as well goes with so much stuff. I always have these on either in my hair or on my wrist. So I really like those. But for now, I'm just going to leave the one in my hair because I don't think I need multiple. But moving on from hair, scrunchies, accessories, the next thing that I love to add to my outfit that I feel like brings it to the next level is sunglasses. So when I wear my sunglasses, they're either on my head like this, and I feel like this alone is a look. It's kind of like I'm expensive, and realistically these glasses are, I think, from Ardene's, I don't even know. But they're just big frame ones. I don't want to be seen. I'm famous. Don't look at me. It's kind of fun, bigger frames. And then we move on to the other ones that I also love. So these ones I wore a lot when I was in Europe because I feel like these are very European vibe. They're more of like a rounded, instead of being the skinny cat eye ones, which I will show next, these are like a oval style one, and I absolutely love these. I feel like a diva when I wear these, and I feel like they're very vintage. I actually bought these glasses at a secondhand store, so I think they might actually be vintage sunnies, but you never know. I just really like the style of them, and I feel like, again, like this, when we started, this was not a vibe. Like just the black shirt, it looks like you just threw a shirt on. Now it looks like you got ready, you're ready to conquer the day, you're a boss lady, and you're on a roll. You know what I mean? This is way more of a look than when we started out with nothing. Again, you can throw these ones up in your hair when you're not using them. I love doing that, and I feel like that is also a look. Sometimes I won't even wear my sunglasses. I'll literally just have them on my head the entire time. And then lastly, these ones are obviously not practical sunnies. They're more so for show, but I love wearing these ones. I feel like a diva in these as well. These ones are super fun, and I feel like, again, like boss girl vibes, on a mission, on a roll. So I think for these outfits, the easiest ones would be these ones to style. I'm gonna pop them on my head, and we're gonna move on to the last thing that I want to talk about today, which is going to be jackets. I feel like all of these things I do on a regular now, but this one in particular I'm really excited for fall, because jackets fall totally makes sense. You can do this with like oversized sweaters and stuff like that as well, but what I'm going to be doing is jackets. I'm gonna start with this. This is just a really cool jacket that I got. You've probably seen before in one of my previous videos, but this is just how the outfit would look. And I feel like you can just see the jewelry, the earrings, the glasses, the scrunchie, how it all comes together with this jacket being thrown on top, a pair of sneakers, and you're honestly out the door, good to go, and you look like you spent a lot of time on your outfit, but it's really just two simple pieces with a jacket thrown over top. We love this. This is a look if I saw one. You could do so many different things, but that is just one jacket that I really think is a statement. So if you have any statement jackets, that would be really cute with your outfit. This one, I feel like most people have, which is just an army green jacket. Again, it just adds something to it, and it also makes me feel more comfortable. And like if I wore this out in public, I feel like people would be like, oh my gosh, what is she wearing? But when I wear this, I feel like it's fine. And again, this with these So this is something that is a little bit more chill, but also goes along the lines of jackets and all that stuff, which would be an oversized flannel or sweater. A huge flannel. I feel like it's so cool, but like this one is like, I'm a cool girl, just hanging out, chilling with my friends, and I just threw something on because I was cold. But then you have your jewelry and your accessories, and it's a look. Like, I look so much more put together. If I didn't have this and these on, I feel like I wouldn't look as put together as if I have all this with my sunglasses and this here. If you guys do decide to try any of these styles, I would definitely love to see them, or like if you do your own take on it, then tag me on Instagram or something, tag me in the comments so that I can see your outfits that you styled the same way as me with your jewelry, sunglasses, oversized jackets, and all that fun stuff. Alright, so that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed kind of like how I accessorize or like spice up my outfits a little bit. Again, thank you so much to Analuisa for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like, and of course subscribe if you're not already. I think that's everything. So that being said, I hope you have an amazing day, week, month, or year. I love you, and remember to always be nice to people. Bye!